What if I told you that more than 2,000 years ago, ancient humans built a machine more complex than anything else on Earth at the time? A device with precision gears, astronomical calculations, and predictive power so advanced it shouldn't have existed. And yet, it was discovered by accident, hidden inside a shipwreck at the bottom of the sea. But here's the question that still haunts historians. Who really built the Antikythera device, and why did this knowledge disappear? Stay with me, because the deeper we go, the stranger this machine becomes. Welcome to Terra Mystica, where we uncover the hidden technologies and lost knowledge of our past. Tonight's story is not about myth or legend, it's about evidence, a real object, a real machine, and a discovery that shattered everything we thought we knew about ancient science. This is the story of the Antikythera Device, often called the world's first computer. But before we understand how it worked, we must first understand how it was lost to history for nearly 2,000 years. In 1901, Greek sponge divers explored the waters near the small island of Antikythera. What they found was a Roman-era shipwreck, statues, pottery, bronze artifacts, nothing unusual, until someone noticed a strange, corroded lump of metal. At first it was ignored, but when scientists examined it more closely, they saw teeth of gears, perfectly cut. This wasn't decoration, this wasn't art, it was machinery. Machinery from around 100 BCE, and suddenly history had a problem. For decades, no one could explain it. The technology seemed impossible for the ancient world. Then, with X-ray scans and 3D imaging, the truth emerged. Inside the corroded bronze casing were over 30 precision-cut gears, mathematical inscriptions, astronomical symbols, complex rotational systems. This was not a simple device. It could predict solar and lunar eclipses, track planetary movements, calculate calendar cycles, model the motion of celestial bodies. In other words, it was an analog computer, built 1,500 years before mechanical clocks were supposed to exist. If ancient engineers could build something this advanced, what else did they know that never survived? The Antikythera device wasn't for everyday use. This wasn't a farmer's tool. This was elite knowledge. Scholars believe it was used to predict eclipses for religious or political events, track Olympic Games cycles, teach advanced astronomy, demonstrate cosmic order. Some researchers believe it may have belonged to a wealthy Roman patron, a Greek astronomer, or a scientific school linked to Archimedes himself. And here's the unsettling part. The inscriptions showed that the builder expected future users to understand it, which means this wasn't experimental technology. It came from a longer tradition of lost science. So if this knowledge existed, why did it vanish completely? After the fall of ancient civilizations, much was destroyed, libraries burned, scholars silenced, knowledge replaced with superstition, mechanical science regressed. The Antikythera device may represent the peak of an ancient technological age, an age erased by war, collapse, and time. No similar machines appear again for over 1,000 years, which leads to a chilling thought. History didn't evolve smoothly, it reset. And the Antikythera device is a surviving fragment from a forgotten chapter of human brilliance. This device forces us to ask uncomfortable questions. Are we underestimating ancient civilizations? How much knowledge has been permanently lost? What else lies undiscovered beneath the sea? The Antikythera device isn't just an artifact. It's a warning. Human progress is fragile, and civilization is not guaranteed to move forward forever. Over 2,000 years ago, someone looked at the sky and built a machine to understand the universe. That knowledge disappeared. But this device survived, waiting patiently for the modern world to catch up. Perhaps the greatest mystery isn't how it was built, but how many more wonders like this were lost forever. If this discovery changed the way you see ancient history, like this video, if you believe the past still holds secrets science hasn't uncovered, share it. And tell me in the comments, do you think the Antikythera device was unique, or just the only one that survived? Subscribe to Terra Mystica, because history is far stranger than we were ever taught.